Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at a Craftsman Pneumatic dual action sander. So it's a variable speed, a little fancy one. Another Ace Hardware find. Again, everything that's Sears based Craftsman is being liquidated through Ace Hardware. So I got this for 20 bucks or something like that. Regular price is around, I think, 90 bucks or something like that, somewhere similar to that. So a good deal nonetheless. I didn't have this, so it's something new. As you might be able to see in my toolbox haul, I have a bunch of these now, but I didn't before that toolbox haul. But yeah, let's take a look at the outside first. So the listed RPMs on it is 10,000 revolutions per minute with no load. I think that's probably bullshit, but you know, to each his own. It is a 3/16 inch orbital stroke, built-in regulator, adjusts tool speed to job, 6-inch pad with flex edges, provides a swirl-free finish. Comfort grip helps absorb vibration for extended use. And it comes with a 1-year Craftsman warranty. And the side has the same thing pretty much. Yeah, nothing really new. Has a little stupid ass picture there. On the back, the marketing is a 6-inch pad with flex edges, same thing as the front. Built-in regulator, comfort grip, and then of course all the same stuff. And then here's your warranty stuff. It is made in China. All right, so let's take a look. So first thing you see, of course, is it comes with your sanding pad. So again, it's a 6-inch Craftsman branded sanding pad. Looks okay. I think it would work fine. I don't use this stuff enough to really destroy it, I don't think anyways. So the fact that it's, you know, it looks good enough for me. As a professional, it might not look good enough for you, but for me it looks good enough. And then here's the sander itself. So it's interesting. So it says Craftsman USA, sorry. It says Craftsman 6-inch dual action sander is your serial number, your model number. In the front, I don't know if it was supposed to have another logo there. Clearly it does not. So that's real nice. Really good quality control there, guys. And then the same thing on the other side, it's just the serial number and the model number. And then it has your fancy warning labels on it. That's where you attach your sanding pad right there. What else? It has, let's see, your stuff on there. So 90 PSI max, 10,000 RPMs. To avoid injury, use accessories rated for 10,000 RPMs or higher. So I don't know if you remember on my tool haul video, or if you haven't seen it yet, the Husky one that was in there is pretty much looks identical to this. So I'm assuming just it's different. It's a different color. The Husky one's all red, but it looks pretty much the exact same as this. I mean, you know, there's a little things that might be different on this one, but I'm assuming it's probably the same manufacturer as the Husky one. And that might be why there might not really be supposed to be a logo there. It might be for the Husky or Cobalt, there should be something there, but not for the Craftsman, I don't know. The head, it's just like a rubber material, so it's good enough. Yeah, I mean, first looks okay. This whole idea of a comfort grip really, I mean, this isn't much softer than a plastic or a metal. I mean, it's supposed to be rubber, I think, but it's not a very comfortable rubber, so don't expect it to not numb your hands. So, and then I guess we'll take a look at the paperwork too, just because we're here. Again, this will be another short video, but I figured I'd show you just to show you your owner's manual. You know, your fancy Sears logo, even though there's no Sears around, or pretty much no Sears around anymore. And it comes with your wrench. Yeah, I know that with So put that back in there. So these pads, I also bought a couple more of them. So they were on clearance at Ace Hardware. So this is the same pad as that one that's in there. It's a made in China, same thing. This is a little bit older. It's a made in Taiwan. But again, same thing. I just picked up a couple of them just because I knew that not a bad deal, first of all, for $6. And on top of that, I didn't want any fitment issues, so I figured I would buy it now when I knew that they had them at the store rather than waiting until I know the fact that they're not going to have them anymore. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Any ideas for future videos, let me know. And I'll see you next time.